Okay. In this video, we're gonna be doing the control charts. First thing first that you must do, you need to type your data as it is on your tables, and then as you can see, we have 20 days here. The data are 20 times. They are happening in a period of 20 days, and then per day they happen probably 3 times. So first thing first you add your sample numbering. So 1, 2 and 3. Okay, these to show the total number of samples. Then you center it, and then so secondly, we're gonna show you, we're gonna look for your X bar. You just type it, X bar. Then you will also need R bar, and you'll also need N, which is 3 in this case. So we are done with it. And then we're also gonna need A2 and D3 and D4. These are for control charts. And then as a result, we are trying to achieve the upper control limit for X bar, the lower control limit also for X bar, and the upper control limit for the R bar, lower control limit for the R bar as well. So as soon as you capture this information, you know that even when we have to make some calculations, it's easier to locate where you must put the data. So first thing first, we need, it's your X bar. Okay, you write it down top, X bar. Okay, so this X bar is average per row. So you must start by computing averages per row. Average, okay, like that. Then after that, as soon as you find the first average, just drag down. And then you need to, obviously, as soon as you get the X bar, it means the prerequisite of that, or after that, you need to put the X bar. So equals to average of everything, average of average. You average everything, right? So now this is your X bar. Okay, you can leave it for now. Let's go for R bar. For R, actually, for range. And these are your ranges, a set of ranges that you need to compute. So you know the formula for range is equals to max minus min. Alright. Okay. X. Alright. Don't make a mistake by also including the X bar. Exclude the X bar minus the mean. Okay, I can see that the mean is not showing properly. So now I have a proper mean. You also highlight the same text, the same cells, and click OK. So that's your first range. Then you drag down. So now you have a set of ranges. Then you need an average for those range, which is R bar. So now average, right? So close bracket. So now we have the average, then the R bar and the X bar. Just wanted to confirm if I'm still on the right track. Okay, and then secondly, we'll look compute the X bar there. X bar and R bar, right? So normally we have to just type it there and then drag it down, but because of I want to make my life a bit easy, I'm gonna just write it here. The 1.492597, okay, and the 0.25565, okay. Then I will just leave them like that for now. So now there is a formula that you need to see for this is the formula to calculate the upper control limits and the lower control limits for both the X bar and the R chart. Okay, as you can see, I've just pasted here on my work. These are the formula. So for the upper control limit for the X, is X bar plus A2 and multiplied by the R bar. So you can see here they have A2, here they have D3, here they have D4. For here it's lower control limit D3, upper control limit for R bar, which is D4. So those are the values, we've already typed them in advance. Okay, so now we need to use this table, a statistical table. So as you know, our sample is 3. The first we're looking for A2 from the formula, as you have seen it. So A2 and 3, we have 1.023. So I'm going to write 1.023. Okay, that's our first. And then secondly, let's look for D3. So D3 in this case, obviously, if you are doing this with the physical paper, you need to put a ruler so that you can be able to underline across, and then you'll be able to find the D3 and the D4. D3 is 0 in this case, D4 is 2.574. Okay, I've made a mistake here, it's supposed to be D4. Alright, then we now gonna apply this formula here for the lower control limit. Okay, it says, obviously you must always put the equal sign. It says X bar plus A2 multiplied by the R bar. Fatma's rule. For this one, close bracket there. Okay, so the A2 multiplied by the R bar, you must put them in the bracket, then say okay. For the lower control limit, as you can see here, it says negative, so it's the same formula, but with it must have a negative. So it's going to be equals to X bar minus open bracket R bar multiplied by A2, then close your bracket. Remember here it's 0, and now we are looking for the upper control limit for the R chart. So now we have equals to, as you can see the formula here, D4. So it's R bar multiplied by D4, then close bracket. You don't need to have brackets, you can just leave it like that because we don't have any additions and subtractions. And then this one, any number you multiply to 0, you know that it will always be 0. Okay, so now we have our control limit. I can simply remove my formula by just simply deleting it away. Okay, so I can go up, lower control, upper control limit for x, lower control limit for x as well, then upper control limit for r, and then lower control limit for r as well. Right, so now we're going to start with this 1.754.122 and then 1.231072. That's your lower control limit, and then for your upper control limit we're going to have 0.65803. then this one will have 0. So now we'll highlight everything and then wait for this plus sign. Look at the difference. There's this plus sign, there's this plus sign, and then there's this plus sign. So you wait for this. As soon as you come to this dot, it will turn to this one. Then you now drag until there. Then that's it. You now have your x bar, r bar, upper control limit, lower control limit for x, and then your upper control limit for our chart. Okay, next up, you need to highlight your x bar like this. You can even include the title there and your x bar. Then you must now click first there. Let's emphasize this one. Click there first and then hold control and then go to your x bar and then you highlight again, you drag down, and then your control limit, you can click them together, those ones. Then after that, go to insert. Alright, and then you have this graph here, the first one on top, this one. Okay, then I don't need to move it for now. It's fine here. Then, as you can see, this chart starts from 0. The gap there, it's a bit untidy, so you can click on it here on this side, double click on it. Okay, then it says here your maximum is 2, your minimum is 0, so we want to bring it closer at least to 1. So I'm going to press 1, then enter. So now, as you can see, it has opened up, and I can see that we can still put 1.1 for a much bigger visibility. So now we have 1.1 there. Alright, and then we can then close this. Your chart then needs to be very visible, and your average there, you need to also explain that what is what. Okay, and then on the next step we have to do the graph for. So now shift it nicely. You need to be able to get access to the data for the R chart. So now with the R chart, start with the ranges. Where are your ranges? The ranges, click control, the R bar, don't let go of the control, and then the upper control limit for R, and then insert your graph now. Insert the graph, this one. Right, so this one we need 0 in this case, and everything is visible. So shift it nicely on the side. Okay, next thing, I need you to put your header and footer. Okay, on view, this one, the page layout view. Alright, so it splits your paper. You can just write anywhere your student number. Alright, then now what you need to aim for is for your data to fit in a page. So I'll start double clicking here and there, okay, and there. This one requires me to, it requires to be big, so I'll just manually move it. And this one, I want it to come closer, it wants to be big also, I'll bring it closer. Right, so these ones I can, okay, they want to be big because they're right. Just bring them a bit closer to each other. Alright, I think it's fine like this. As long as your lower control limit for 0, they are now visible. Okay, so as you can see, we have one work on one side. Let's confirm the graphs, and the graph, they fit very well. So I'll just adjust them a little bit there. So now the graphs, they fit one page. Okay, then when it's like this, it's easier for me to print and to mark your work. Don't leave your work on top of, don't leave your graphs on top of your calculations, because when we print in mass printing and you end up losing stuff like that. So please kindly bear with us and make that favor for us. Here, if you want this to be visible, you can use highlight like this. Alright, and then even in these ones you can highlight like this, so they will be much more visible like that. Okay, that's it for the day. I hope you practice.